Under the scorching desert sun, a mother cat and her kitten stand small against the vast golden landscape. Their eyes, pools of determination, reflect the harsh light, promising resilience in this desolate expanse. The mother cat's protective gaze shields her kitten, a silent vow echoing in the stillness of the desert. A small brick house stands proudly in the vast desert, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The mother cat and kitten bask in the light, a picture of contentment and pride after their hard work. The kitten nudges its mother affectionately, a soft purr echoing in the serene desert air. Amidst the silent, endless desert, a house lies in shattered ruins, bricks strewn like fallen dreams. The mother cat stands guard over the rubble, her face a mask of shock and profound sadness. A desperate cry tears from her throat as she frantically searches, her loneliness echoing in the barren landscape.